Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can fix Xbox application lagging on your PC. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that your Xbox application is up to date. Now to do this, you can just go ahead and make sure to simply navigate through your Microsoft Store. And from here, you then want to search Xbox, and if you see an update button, you then want to make sure to simply update the Xbox application to make sure that it's using the latest files and the compatible drivers onto your computer. Now, after making sure that your Xbox application is up to date, what you can do is to go ahead and launch Xbox into an administrator settings. Now, you can just exit Xbox out of your system tray right here, search Xbox on the Windows menu, and then you want to right click on it, and then you want to simply open it as an administrator. In my case, I don't have that option on my computer, but if you have, you can just go ahead and make sure to simply choose that option. Now, the next thing that we can go ahead and do to finally fix this problem is to simply uninstall the Xbox application itself and download a fresh copy from the Microsoft Store. So you can just search add or remove programs on the Windows menu, search Xbox, and then you can uninstall the application right here. And then you want to install a fresh copy from the Microsoft Store. Now, by doing this, you will be able to eliminate corrupted files or missing files that might cause the lagging problems on your Xbox, and from there you have successfully fixed your problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.